Is Monday, December 7th, 2020. It is currently 9:27 and 38 seconds in the morning. And we coming in here this morning on this Money Making Monday to try to make some money. So, I just got news right now that BTRX receives a 325 million funding from Royalty Pharma and Ethereum Capital. So, I'm going to put in the group this morning, just got news. So, first of all, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just telling you what I see and showing you how I trade, and just maybe it may help you out in your trading ventures, or maybe not. So currently, I have these four I'm watching. However, this BCRX just came in with news, and I like that news that it has. So do not watch what I'm doing. If you do watch what I'm doing, rather, I'm trying to say, do not do what I'm doing. Find your own strategy and do what works for you. Because I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet who trades stocks. So, right now, this TNXP, a breakout point of, my bad, the drawing didn't change, of 115. So, I'm going to do is right here is draw a, come on, think of one, I'm acting crazy. I'm going to draw a 115, well, rephrase that, I'm going to create an alert at 115. That way, during the market hours, if it breaks that point, 116, break that point, then I know to take a look at that. Right here, we have a current high of 416 on this, 418 on this ONCT. Draw a line right there. Also create an alert at 418 as well. 419, one above. So over here, on this mighty fine stock here, OBLN is looking terrible. However, it wants to retrace, so another alert I'm going to put here at 169. If I buy in, it'll only be right there, 169. So I'm going to put an alert right there at the VWAP. And 169. And here go the market. Let's go. BCRX. Oh man, let me see. 5-day, 5-minute. That's the pullback. GTech, TNXP. That's the pullback. ONCT. Here we go. Watch that alert right there on the ONCT. Check my auto send. Got 100 pop right there. If it pops that point, I'm gonna buy in. However, I'm trying to buy in the first candle, but across this point here, I have no option but to buy in. TNXP and ONCT, 6 million shares traded on 22 million share float. So it has a large float. A small float. As opposed to Kodak, which has 77 million share float. GTech has a 10 million share float. TNXP has a 156 million share float. So those floats are kind of too high. However, if the stocks run up, I have to buy it, right? So first candle, it came out the gate. It ran green a little bit. Now it's failing. Sometimes that first candle will be good. Other times, it'll kill you. So be careful with that first candle. BCRX, where we at right here? I ain't got in here, do I? I made no trades yet in my large account or small account yet. So I'm just watching. I'm watching this right now. ONCT. So I'm going to go in the group and put in watch ONCT for that 419 break. Otherwise, it's indecisive. I am in Kodak right now. Let's see what happens. A large account. Let me look at it right quick. I'm in AQB as well. Why is it on my list right here? Why don't I have it pulled up over there? Am I missing it? I think I am. Forgot to add it. So AQB. Let me keep a look at this right quick. Here we go. My bad, y'all. I'm on my cell phone trying to make some trades as we go along. I don't miss all the money. It's battling that $4 mark right there over here on freaking ONCT. It wants to pull back. I'm gonna watch it for a minute, see what happens right here. Watching right here in this move. I'm over here ready. It's about to pop through it. I'm gonna hop in right there. Now I need 41 cents. Did I get that? Let's see. Take what the market gives you, right? Need to retrace that. Oh man, this gotta be support now. This high must be support now. If I hopped out there, I would have made a quick 13, 14 bucks. This gotta be support. Look at see what's doing right quick in 5 minutes. Heavy sellers right now. What I'm gonna do is right here is, hold on. Need new high. Level 2. We got sellers taking profit. Next spike, I'm gonna hop out of it. Next spike, blow through that. I like what it's doing. Look for 450. Let's go. Bust through that point. Here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. We want that. We want that. Trying to trade my cell phone at the same time. What I don't have right here. Let's see. Right here, my sell point. If it fails again right here, I'm gonna hop out of it. Indecisive. See right here? Indecisive. Indecisive. Come on, bang up. It's looking good, like it wanted to curve up. Now, I'm not in the group telling you anything. I already told you 419 was the breakout point. So I'm not going to say anything else. There we go. Let's get 450. Let's get 450. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's get 450. We can do it. Here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. Let's go. Bang through that point. Bang through that point. Get 450. Let's go. Right here. Let's go. Here we come. Right here. All right. I don't like what it's doing to my small account, and I don't want to risk losing my money. So what I'm going to do is get out my small account. My large account, I can buy more shares, and it be more active than it was in my small account. So give me a second, y'all. Trying to figure out this on my cell phone. Got some stuff going on here. Trying to figure out. Let's go. We at ONCT 450. Man, it's about to hit 450. 450 is imminent. OBLN. $half marks are resistance. Never forget that. Majority of the time, $half marks are resistance points. ONCT. I got 450 sell order. So I'm in ONCT on my cell phone, 396 with a 450 sell order. There we go. In NDM, I'm in at 663 in my large account with a sell point of $7. See, this is why I got out right here, because I saw it moving upwards, right? Very bullish. Then I saw it failing. Then I realized I got stuck at that 440 wall, so I hopped out of it at 436. Because I knew the next kind of pop up is going to pull back, which is right here. And I knew the sellers popping in. This right here is telling me indecisive, right? It pulls back, it goes up. Watch this dump right here about to happen. What's NNDM doing over here? Let me go back to my charts. Wow. So I'm gonna do is go to group right now and tell you guys that NNDM is bullish. Eyes has failed. TNXP, nothing. Look at this. This pullback of ONC, CT. So, watch this pullback. Now look here. I told you guys, watch that ONC for that 419 break. Otherwise, indecisive. So, the ONCT, I drew the line right there. That's 419. It's right there above my line, right? It kept banging it, then it blew through it to 455, and now it's pulling back like it's supposed to, right? Meanwhile, this TNXP doing nothing. Kodak, my trade on Kodak is already complete in my large account. Let's see. My trade is complete on NNDM, ONCT, AQB. I got a sell point put in place in my LCA trade at 23.50 for a quick couple bucks. But right now, I may move it back a little bit. Now, I put in the group this morning, I tagged Chris in it. I told him LCA, right? So if you like, I can show it on video where I did that. Let's see. OBLN is not doing much of anything. Look at OBLN. OBLN is terrible. Nope. Kodak's still moving. Might hop in again. Might hop in again. Let me see. For a quick scalp. Oh man, I missed out on that fucking money. I don't like that at all. Alright. I'm trying to get some more of this Kodak money. Let's see what happens right here. I told you guys about it before I traded it. I should have got in before. However, I didn't. It's okay. It happens sometimes. Because it's bullish right now. It wants to roll. We're going to see what happens right here. Let me screenshot my LCA and NNDM trade. I'm out of LCA at 23.50, which is what I wanted. I called that on camera as well. Nobody can say, I'm sorry, in video, no one can say I didn't say nothing about it. So there's my my LCA trade. Let me go back here to my AQB trade. Then I'm going to go down here to my ONCT trade. And let's see. OBLN, what are we doing over there? Do I want to buy this OBLN? Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to find something. So look, over here on OBLN, top right. OBLN has a 160 breakout point. This is my alert, 169. So I'm going to go over here and tell you guys that OBLN has a 160 breakout point. Done with my morning video. I will be uploading it soon. I think I made 4 trades so far. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 4 trades so far in my large account. But looking for more. All right. Look at this ONCT. See what it did? Popped that point, ran up, 455 wall, hopped out at 436. I wanted more money in my large account. I want to watch that sell, and it pulled back like it did, and it's now making the previous resistance support. So I'm gonna go over here and say, what is this crap? Okay, what happened right there? What happened right there, y'all? What happened right there, y'all? I don't know. See that? It's now made the pre-resistance support. So what I'm gonna do is right here is I'm going back on Facebook through my previous posts. All right, let's go over here to the group. I just told you guys make support. Look at that. It's making that previous resistance support. I'm going over to the group. And I'm going to post in there my 4 trades this morning in my large account, which are all closed out. Meanwhile, OBLN don't want to do nothing. I told you 160 is the key breakthrough point. So all right, let's try to trade one more time on this day going ONCT. Let's see what I can do right here. Come on now, let me log in right quick. All right, over here, my buying point was 100 shares only at 418. I sold at 436 for a quick 22-cent gain. I wanted 10%, which is 41 cents. I didn't get that, but you take what the market gives you. I took 21 cents, which is 50% of what I wanted. Time on deck is 9:50. I'm in this video at 10 o'clock. It was Monday. Monday's a okay day, but sometimes the market moves slow on Mondays. So I'm not gonna be here all day doing videos. However, I'll give you that daggone 30 minutes for sure. Now, if it's large account, you could have bought 1,000 shares, the same points I bought at, made you a quick $210. 10,000 shares, $2,100, right? Do the math. And so on and so forth. What's this doing? Look at that. 455 break point. Over here, ONCT. I told you guys that, right? I'm gonna go to the exact ONCT trade and says, looks like it wants to create a new high of day. High of day now is 455, right? Candle right here, want to make a new high of day. And there it is. And there goes a new high of day. And the buyers are coming in. Perfect, perfect, perfect. See what I can do right here. Let's go. 465. We can hit 470 right here. Yep. Watch this right here. Look at the RSI. Look at the level 2. See these guys up here on the left side? These sellers? They lined up waiting. So the guys here are taking profits. So I made a quick little trade right quick. And I'm breaking the high day for a quick 15, 20 cents. Look at this exact point. So I bought the new high. I bought at 453. Sold at 468. So yeah, 15 cents. And right now I'm putting the group as well my new ONCT trade. All this add to the previous one I traded. So it's not like it's a whole different trade. I just add to previous trade. Sorry, it's a new trade, add to an old position. There we go. So all I did was add more stocks or more profit than the profit I already had. That makes sense? I hope so. Added more profit. So I added $4,400 more profit to my ONCT trade. Now look here. I said, looks like it wants a new high of day, right? Previous high of day was 455. It blew through that, made a new high of day. If you look here, I also said to you guys, after I told you that, I added more profit. It's 15,800. Previous was 11,400. So I made 4,400 more bucks after I told you guys they're gonna make a new high of day or wanted the new high of day. So hopefully you got some money with me. 5 minutes more to the video ends and I'm done. So here we are here, still moving around, shucking and jiving. That's an old school word, shucking and jiving. Down here it's indecisive, right? You don't know what they want to do. If you look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart, you're gonna see it's straight on the incline. We got a long way to go from what this tells us, right? So $5 in the day, it's not impossible, but who knows, right? I might hop in another time, who knows? 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 day chart is telling us this. We popped up, put down. It could be a head and shoulders, right? Indecisive. There go to pop up again. Left shoulder. There go the head, which is higher. Technically, should come down here somewhere and make another shoulder and then dump, right? So I'm gonna say is ONCT. Now this stock is making a head and shoulders pattern on the 1 minute chart. All right, Kodak is failing us horribly. Yeah, Kodak is, my goodness, popped up there and then pulled back and it's doing nothing now. Kodak is one of our runners from before. This thing was like $60 a few months, or like not even a few months ago, maybe a month ago. It had news. Let me see how long ago it was. I guess more than a month ago. Let's look at the last 180 days. Here we go. Back here in freaking July, that long ago, it was $60. And it dumped on us, right? And then it rolled. Now it's on the incline back up. So if this does what this did, that'd be amazing. Look back here though. That price move, well, I think it's all in 1 day. Look at that. It was all in 1 day. That's a 1 day, sorry, 180 day, 4 hour candle. So in 4 hours, Went from way back here of $15.36 to $60 in 4 hours. Mind blowing, right? But then it dumped on us. It had news back then, actually. Let me look at the news, if I remember correctly. I can't go that far. Well, it had agreement to get funding, and that agreement came through. People started buying that stock, and it ran to $60 in 4 hours. It's crazy. So today, it could do the same thing. Same green volume bar, right? Same incline up back here. Same green volume bar, same incline up after a previous green bar. Let's go back here again. After a previous green bar. It's doing the exact same thing so far it did back in July. So, who knows what happened right here? Let's check it out. What I'm going to tell you guys is, on Kodak, let me find Kodak. Kodak looks like Kodak. Let me learn to spell first. Hello. Is having the same movement as it had back in July. And I tell you also, look at the 180-day 4-hour chart. And compare the likeness. Let me go over here and make some daggone I don't want to edit that. I want to edit this. There we go. There go my alert. OBLN. This is why you make alerts. This is why you make alerts. Look at that. I said earlier, it crossed that point. We got money to get into. This is why you make alerts. And I'm out of my trade anyway on LBLN at 165, so I'm already sold on it. I bought back here, and I saw a reversal. I put in the group, want me to. So I'm gonna go up here where I said to you guys, OBLN. There we go. OBLN broke the point I discussed earlier. Let me show you again. I said to you guys, oh, that's wrong. OBLN. Let me fix that. Yeah, I messed it up. The watch list would tell you that though. The watch list tells you what I said. Yeah, that's crazy. Mess it all up. But look up here though. It's up there. So if I said OBLM, you should probably remember I said to you guys earlier in the day, look at OBLN. I messed it up. So that's my error. That OBLM is my error. I meant OBLN, but it's up there as well. So OBLN. Oh, but by the way, it's very important to not put wrong symbols because people will look up OBLM and be like, oh man, what the heck? Matter of fact, I'm going to log on in a second and do that OBLN and see what else pops up in that same symbol I put in the group by mistake. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That should be it right there. Okay, yeah, there we go. OBLN, I made $1,800 on OBLN. So let me go back up here and screenshot that. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm doing pretty well. Stop while the stopping's good. So I'm gonna put down here, calling it a day. And it's only 10:02, so I'm saying not bad. No, I'm not. I'm gonna say call it a day. That's it. I'm gonna post right here. Talking about daggone phone, man. All right, so here we are. I'm done for the day, and I'm gonna go back to the group and reflect. So, quick, good job, brother. So I called out points. I traded those points, right? That I called out in the group. So, no one can say I didn't say, hey man, where you bought in at? I told you. I called out all key points that I was trading today, and we called it a day. I put this morning, LFCA question to ask me, and I was putting that question to a person. I told him about LCA, so he bought it. I don't know if he didn't. I don't know either. NNDM I got from Quick this morning. We talked about that by hitting $10. Well, today was a good day for that one as well. So that being said, I'm gonna call it a day. It's currently 10:03. Video is actually 35 minutes. So in 35 minutes, I've made this return of that. So it's 15.8, right? Plus 8 or 68, right? Plus these two, plus Kodak, and OBON is not in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back right quick and try to put in this OBLN right here so we can see my final numbers. This came in right there. Why is it loading? What the heck? Let's start this over again. See what happens right here. All right, it should be there. It should be there now. All right, I posted right here my OBLN trade. It's inside the same trade from earlier. Just added the OBLN to it. So this is also a green trade. So you go back up here, you'll see all my trades, right? Here you go. Perfect example. LCA, which is up here. NNDM, which is up here. OBLN, which is here. I'm telling you about it, but it's right there. ONCT, which is up here. Traded twice. And go further. See Kodak, I traded once. And go further, you see AQB, which is where AQB at? It's in here somewhere. Right there. My bad. AQB. I already called it out. One trade away. Not bad. 35 minutes a month of trading, right? See you guys later. Be safe.